KAba assembly machine. Movable building block person.
Today, let's substitute 3 boxes. This weapon looks like a stretcher.
Such a peculiar weapon. Only Rescue Master will use it. First, disassemble the shoulder joint.
Take off the hands as well. Install the shoulder joints on the back armor. Install the body. Fasten the chest armor to the chest armor.
Body assembly completed. Install the mecha's neck.
2 small parts combine to form the head connection. 3 crotch accessories. Combine to connect the crotch to the body. Assemble the legs. White foot pads. Black knees. Connect the left and right legs to the body.
Attach the arms to the left and right shoulders. There are also 2 small accessories in front of the Rescue Master's chest. This accessory looks like an arrow. Install the propellers on both sides of the shoulders. This should be a helicopter. Install the base. Finally, take the weapon.
Rescue Master assembly completed.